All right, so we are getting ready to go out to the cruise tonight. We're currently washing OJ WRX, and we got, oh, if it'll focus, Zach's Mazda clean. All right, about to roll out, baby. All right, we're getting my boy harnessed in right now. Let's go.
You think you're going to jail tonight?
Yeah.
I think the ISO needs to be L turned up a little bit. It's a little dark. You mean just keep it? I don't think it's running. Alright. I'll just keep the settings. Fall back, try and get Zach up here. Should we get like right here on my quarter? in our corner. Whoa, whoa.
All right, round one, roller's done. That was so mint. You know we out here mogging Kalispell. Let's go. Check this thing out. The only other bagged vehicle that I know of in this town. Yo, look at this fitment, dog. Sheesh.
Dukes S. Dukes to fucking chain.
All right, y'all, we just got some night shots. We'll throw them up, see how they look.
A week stay here. Bro, what the fuck is this thing? Here's that GTI. Yo, Shmi, do you have this hill? Do you just want to meet us in town, pal? Like Home Depot? Yeah, come in tandem. Yep, nice. Alright, can you... Alright, when we get to the lights, can you both turn off your headlights? Oh, let me get that on my phone. Please. Yeah, you're good. Snap, please. Get the frick out of the way! About to start directing traffic. Go or stop! I mean, hey, Zach's getting flipped. that car's known for it, homie. Let's give me the plate. All right, Shmi, if they say anything about the plate, if Mason gets pulled, I'll stop. Yeah, all good. It's all good. Oh, there he goes.
We didn't get pulled over. We were close. We had about, how many cops? Four cops on our ass. Yeah, I don't know how I didn't get pulled over in the underglow. But we made it. We survived. Alright, well they are swapping whips. I am on the way home because it is like midnight and I gotta be up early in the morning. So we are headed to the garage. Alright, you guys, we are back. We've got the car hooked up to the battery for the night until I drive it again. So yeah, we're gonna call it a night.